I got the idea from this course actually from Pope Francis and reading his encyclical Laudato Si. He has a very interesting section at the end about education and conversion. And so I thought to myself, well, wow, this is a little bit what Notre Dame is about, is to use the magnificent facilities we have to bring about a deep education of the whole person. Pope Francis says that we have to learn to experience nature as sacred mystery and not just as a sort of a storehouse for resources. And you can't walk around here very long without getting a sense of the beauty and the mystery of the world in which we live. So I can't think of a better setting to teach a course like this than Kylemore. To experience the natural world around us as a profound gift that God has given us, and a gift that we should be grateful for, and also a sense of hope. I think sometimes when I teach about the environment, there's a tendency just to sort of despair. Things seem to be so bad. The Christian message is a message of hope. I mean, it has to be a realistic hope, and it has to be what Pope Francis calls a combative hope, but saying, I'm going to get out there and work. I think if they can sort of build up that kind of combative hope and see that there are resources for seeing the world in a different way, then I'll feel like I've succeeded.